The coach actually wanted his team to lose, so he secretly poured a laxative into the striker's drink. But to his surprise, Holland's son, the star striker, was totally fine. In fact, he looked even more energetic. Within minutes, he scored a goal. The coach started to panic. He gave him another drink, again with laxatives, but the striker was still unstoppable. He ran like a rocket, past all the defenders, rushed into the penalty area, and scored another goal without even looking. Now the coach was sweating. He gave him a third laxative drink. Still, the striker came back to the field, dribbling past everyone like it was nothing. Even the goalkeeper couldn't stop him. But then, suddenly, he grabbed his stomach and ran straight to the bathroom. Finally, the laxative worked. The coach sighed in relief. He thought, finally, my plan worked. But then he remembered, their goalkeeper was too good. The other team still couldn't score a single goal. So to make sure his team lost, the coach removed the real goalkeeper and replaced him with a new clumsy player. At first, the plan worked. The other team easily scored a goal. The coach smiled, thinking the loss was confirmed. But what he didn't know was the new goalie was actually a golden ball specialist. Now, no matter what the other team tried, he stopped every single shot. Like lightning, the crowd went wild, but the coach's heart sank. Finally, it came down to one last free kick. The coach sent in a boy who was a bit cross-eyed and always messed up his passes. Just then, Holland's son came running back from the bathroom. That boy tried to pass the ball to him, but by accident, he kicked it straight into the goal himself. Accidental goal. The stadium erupted. The coach stood frozen. After doing all that, his team still won.